Good morning, everyone. My name is Monika Naus. I'm the Medical Director for Communicable Diseases and Immunization Programs at the British Columbia Centre for Disease Control, and I'd like to welcome everyone to our 2022 Immunization Forum. We have the largest number of registrants that we've ever had to this event. This event is hosted by the British Columbia Immunization Committee, and the Planning Committee membership is in the program, and I'd like to thank the Planning Committee for their efforts in putting together the scientific program for this event, and the administrative staff for helping us put on this event. We are hosting it from UBC Robson Square, which is where this event has been held the last 2 times, and I'd just like to recall that the last time we held this forum was in person 2 years ago, almost exactly 2 years ago at this site. We had just over 200 people participating in person, and it was the same week that the dental conference was held in British Columbia with significant transmission of COVID at that event. And so, as everybody knows, we've been in a very unusual couple of years, and we debated having this event in person this time, but I think we still made the right decision in holding it virtually, and I really appreciate everybody who has registered for this event. As I mentioned, we do have a large number of registrants throughout Western Canada and from all parts of British Columbia, and it's allowed people from remote parts of the country to register. And we have a great program for you. It's also accredited for medical credit, so we do have a number of physicians joining, and you'll be able to receive a certificate of your participation after the event by emailing to the forum email address, which is imsforum@bccdc.ca. We are going to be using Slido for questions, so instead of putting your hand up and asking a live question, please post your questions to Slido. And that's an application that you can download to your mobile device, and a number sign will come up in the field, and you type in IMS Forum 2022. And if your question has already been asked by someone, you can upvote that question, and it'll float to the top of the list if enough people want that question answered. We debated not having any COVID information on the program at all, and we couldn't make ourselves do that. So we will be having an opening session on COVID, but the rest of the program is focused on a variety of scientific, programmatic, and practice-based issues. So I think we have something for interest for everyone. And there's also an evaluation for this event that you can complete as you're going along. And the link to the evaluation is on the website for the program. And I'm told that if you don't complete the evaluation, if you're completing the evaluation as you're progressing through the program, that from the same browser and the same device, you'll be able to pick up where you left off. So we hope that that will work. And I'd like to just ask whether our welcoming Shane Point he's not, okay. So we'll just have a small change to our program, and we'll start off by having an introductory address by our very own Provincial Health Officer, who probably needs no introduction at all, Dr. Bonnie Henry. And Dr. Bonnie Henry has been BC's Provincial Health Officer since 2018, after 3 years as a Deputy Provincial Health Officer. As you know, she has admirably led British Columbia's response to the COVID pandemic in the last 2 years. But she has a variety of other responsibilities, including the response to the drug overdose emergency. She started off her career in Toronto. Actually, she started off as a field epidemiologist working with me many years ago at the Ontario Ministry of Health and Long-Term Care. But she's had several experiences in responding to emergencies, including the SARS outbreak at the City of Toronto Health Department and the Ebola outbreak in Uganda, where she worked with the World Health Organization. She's also worked overseas with the polio eradication program in Pakistan. And Dr. Henry is deserves many gold medals for her tireless work for British Columbians, and we're especially happy to have her here today. Thank you.